This is exercise 13.3 of Exemplar, and this is question number 15. Prove that the function f defined by fx x upon mod of x plus 2x square when x is not equal to 0 and k if x is equal to 0 remains discontinuous at x is equal to 0 regardless the choice of k. Now what does it mean? This function is discontinuous at x is equal to 0. k की कुछ भी वैल्यू हो, बट ये फंक्शन आपका डिसकॉन्टिन्यूस है x इज इक्वल टू 0 पे. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू री राइट दिस क्वेश्चन. नाउ फर्स्ट इसको जरा ध्यान से देखो. when x is equal to not equal to 0 we have this function x upon mod of x plus 2x square. It means if x is greater than 0 we have this function, if x is less than 0 we have this function. But if x is greater than 0 then mod of x is x, if x is less than 0 mod of x is minus x. We know that. So we are going to rewrite this function. How we will rewrite it? Now fx is equal to x upon minus x plus 2x square if x is less than 0. अगर x 0 से छोटा होता है तो mod of x आपका minus x होता है. तो हमने यहाँ पर x लेस देन 0 लिया और ये फंक्शन आपका बन गया x अपॉन माइनस एक्स प्लस 2x स्क्वेयर. एंड इफ x इज ग्रेटर देन 0 देन दिस फंक्शन बिकम्स mod of x becomes x, so this function becomes x upon x plus 2x square. If x is equal to 0 this is equal to k. So left hand limit fx as x tends to 0 minus. So when x is less than 0 we will write this function. So we have written this function. So this is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus x upon, take x common, I'll have minus 1 plus 2x in the bracket. This is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus x से x cancel हो गया, I'll have 1 upon minus 1 plus 2x. And this is equal to, now this is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus 1 upon minus 1 plus 2x. So limit x tends to 0, 1 upon minus 1 plus 2. So instead of x, write 0 minus h. So this is equal to limit x tends to 0, 1 upon minus 1 minus 2h. And instead of h, write 0. This is equal to minus 1. So left hand limit minus 1. Now I'm going to find the right hand limit. Limit fx as x tends to 0 plus is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus. We will write this function here, x upon x plus 2x. This is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus x upon, take x common, I'll have 1 plus 2x in the bracket. This is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus 1 upon 1 plus 2x. This is equal to limit x tends to 0, 1 upon 1 plus 2, instead of x write 0 plus h. This is equal to limit x tends to 0, 1 upon 1 plus 2. When you write h as 0, this is equal to 1. So left hand limit fx as x tends to 0 minus is equal to limit of fx as x tends to 0 plus is equal to f0. If a function is continuous, then we have this. Now we will show this function is not continuous. So left hand limit is minus 1, right hand limit is 1, and f0 is equal to k. Minus 1 is not equal to 1. It shows left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. It shows function is discontinuous. आप k का कोई भी मान ले लो, ये फंक्शन आपका discontinuous रहेगा. So we can say, so function is discontinuous regardless the choice of k. Now this is question number 16. Find the value of a and b such that the function f defined by fx is equal to x minus 4 upon mod of x minus 4 plus a if x is less than 4. This is equal to a plus b if x is 4, x minus 4 upon mod of x minus 4 plus b if x is greater than 4. This is continuous function at x is equal to 4. Now here, if x is less than 4, you have this function. If x is equal to 4, you have this function. If x is greater than 4, you have this function. Now, this is a continuous function at x is equal to 4. We are to find the value of a and b. So, आपको दिया गया है कि ये continuous function है. आपको a और b की value निकालनी है. First, we will rewrite the question. How you will rewrite the question? If x is less than 4, it means x minus 4 is less than 0. it means mod of x minus 4 is minus x minus 4. If x is greater than 4, it means x minus 4 is greater than 0. So x mod of x minus 4 is equal to x minus 4. So I'll rewrite the function. So what it becomes? Fx is equal to x minus 4 upon minus x minus 4 plus a if x is less than 4. If x is less than 4. जब x less than 4 होगा तो आपका mod of x minus 4 क्या बन जाएगा? Minus x minus 4. X is equal to 4. It has a plus b. If x is greater than 4, mod of x minus 4 becomes x minus 4. So this is x minus 4 upon x minus 4 plus b. So fx is equal to minus 1 plus a if x is less than 4. This is equal to a plus b if x is equal to 4. This is equal to 1 plus b if x is greater than 4. Now limit of fx as x tends to 4 minus लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट हो गई तो आप यहाँ पर फंक्शन क्या लोगे? ये वाला. सो दैट इज इक्वल टू माइनस 1 प्लस ए. सो लिमिट x tends to 4 minus this is the function and this is equal to minus 1 plus a because this is a constant. Now let me write the right hand limit. Limit fx as x tends to 4 plus this is equal to limit. Now what function you will write? This function 1 plus b as x tends to 4 plus this is equal to 1 plus b because this is constant. f4 is equal to a plus b. f4 is equal to a plus b. This is this. Now since this function is continuous, so all these three things are equal. So I'll write it on the next page and I'll find the value of a and b. Since function is continuous at x is equal to 4, so left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to f4. So minus 1 plus a is equal to 1 plus b is equal to a plus b. First you take this and this, then you take this and this. So let me say it again. This is equal to this. It means a and a cancel. So value of b is minus 1. When you take this and this, 1 plus b is equal to a plus b. B and b is cancelled. So you will have the value of a, that is 1. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1. That is the answer.